Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best headphone stand in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Razer Base Station Chroma Headphone Stand. For most headphones users, a headphone stand is not only a hanger or holder for their headphones but also an accessory. Therefore, while looking for the best overall headset stand, we consider the following factors: aesthetic appeal, durability, price, use, and additional features. And, luckily, we found all these features in the Razer Base Station Chroma Mercury headphone stand. Firstly, the headphone stand looks beautiful on your desk. In fact, the headphone stand comprises a unique design, which allows you to detach the headphone stand from the base and use it independently. The base of the headphone stand comes with a 3-port USB hub. You can use it for charging and connecting different USB devices. Secondly, the headphone stand comes with 8 million pre-configured lighting options that can be set and used through Razer Synapse. Therefore, if you have other Razer Chroma-enabled devices on your desk, you can sync all of them and match the lighting to create a phenomenal user experience. Number 2. Our second best pick is Corsair ST100 RGB Premium Headset Stand. Since most gamers purchase high-end gaming headsets, it makes sense to purchase a premium quality gaming headset stand too. And this is where the Corsair ST100 RGB Premium Gaming Headset Stand ranks on top. Like most other gaming accessories, such as gaming headsets, mice, keyboards and so on, this gaming headset stand also comprises a variety of technical features that you won't find elsewhere. Firstly, this gaming headset stand comes with RGB lighting, a must-have for gamers, in its base. We placed this one next to our gaming PC, and the way the RGB lighting blended with the Corsair gaming mouse and keyboard was a visual delight. Dynamic RGB lighting, LED, across 9 zones provides gamers with a wide variety of color options. Secondly, the gaming headset stand comprises a built-in 3.5mm input to enjoy 7.1 surround sound and 2 USB 3.0 inputs, which can be used to charge your gaming headset, mobile and so on. Lastly, and most importantly, the gaming headset stand is made of a durable material and comes with a rubber-covered base to prevent slipping. Number 3. Our third best pick is AmoVee Acrylic Headphone Stand. An important factor that you should consider while purchasing a headphone stand is its material. And, as you have seen in this guide, headphone stands are available in different materials, such as wood, aluminum, acrylic, and so on. However, your choice will completely depend on your requirements. For instance, one of our team members has bulky headphones, so he bought an aluminum headphone stand, which is more durable and sturdy. Another member on our team bought a bamboo headphone stand as she is more into design and aesthetics. Firstly, as the name suggests, this headphone stand is an acrylic headphone stand. Therefore, it is more lightweight and portable than all the other headphone stands on our list. Even though it is thicker and more stable, you won't feel the extra weight. Secondly, the shape of the headphone stand is curvy and beautiful. When the headphones are not resting on the stand, it looks like a home decor item. No vibrant colors, no stylish patterns, only simplicity at its best. We tested the stand with a variety of headphones, including Sennheiser HD700, and it took care of all the headphones seamlessly. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Newbie Fast Wireless Charging Headphone Holder. With so many fans of the wireless technology on our team, it is inevitable to miss out on anything wireless. While we were testing the Corsair and Razer headphone stands, one of our team members, who hates wires, bought this model wireless charging headphone holder for testing purposes. And that's how our relationship with the headphone stand started. As the name of the product suggests, it is a dual-purpose headphone stand, which means that you can use it as a resting spot for your headphones and a wireless charger for your mobile phone. Firstly, the wireless charger at the base of the headphone stand comprises a rubberized grip to ensure your mobile doesn't slip when charging. The body of the stand is made of aluminum with a TPU rubber top to ensure your headphones stay in place when resting on the stand. Secondly, the headphone stand provides 3 different charging modes for charging different devices. Talk about the headphone stand's compatibility with different headphones, and during the testing phase we found out that it can easily hold most headphones with a head bandwidth within 1.8 inch/4.6 cm and device height within 8.85 inch/22.5 cm. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Satechi Aluminum USB Headphone Stand. This headphone stand can be a great pick for headphones users who are looking for a good quality headphone stand for their headphones along with the convenience of multiple USB ports. While you can easily find a wide range of USB headphone stands on the market, we picked Satechi as the best headphone stand with USB for its durability, ease of use and multiple USB ports. The headphone stand comes with 3 USB 3.0 ports that can be used for wireless charging, data transfer and data backup. The headphone stand also comprises a hook on the back to easily store the headphones cable and a rubberized grip on the top portion to ensure your headphones don't slip while they are resting on the stand. Lastly, this headphone stand is compatible with all top headphones brands on the market, such as Bose, Beats, Audio-Technica, Sennheiser and so on. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.